3. Hello guys, welcome back with another video to service reset, oil change reset of a Mercedes CLA. First we have to turn the ignition to the first ignition. One turn please. Then we press and hold the phone button, this button, with the OK button. Press and hold it till something appears on the dashboard. Yes. When this appears, you can let go the two buttons. We scroll down to Assist Plus with the arrow button over here. Confirm it with the OK button. Scroll down to General Service. Confirm with the OK button. Scroll down to Confirm Service. And confirm with the OK button. This is the oil grade quality. We use double wave 5 wave 30, so we use this one. Confirm again, and the last time confirm. When you do that, and we can check it again with the service. As you can see, we resetted the oil service. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thumbs up if you like our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.